My name is Manthan. Today I am going to tell you where to look from. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. We all drew the car differently. Next day, when we showed our pictures to each other, we were very excited. But Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of a car. Anshul said, "It looks like a small box kept in a bigger one." Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Both of them drew the picture of the same car, but the drawings looked different. Dheeraj said he had looked from the car from the terrace. Do you think his funny drawing is right? Yes, his funny drawing is right. Do you know one thing can have many sides, and so he have many side views, just as side view, top view, front view, back view, and many more views. Do they look same or different? They look different. Answer is different. They look different from each other. Have you drawn here? How does the table look from the side? The table look like from the side. The table will look like this. Which picture is from the top? This picture is from the top. Will they look like this? Sorry, some pictures have drawn below. Imagine how these things will look if seen from the top. The cooker will look like this. The cooker will look like this. The chappal will look like this. The watermelon will look like this. The table will look like this. Practice time. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? The teacher is here. The teacher is here. Here are some pictures. Find out where you have to look these things this way. We have to go off the side of the staircase to look like this. This from front. The table is of top. The table will look like top. The chair is side. The pencil is top. And the bus is side. Draw top views of a few things and ask your friend to guess what they are. This is how a racket will look. The racket will look like this. It has many lines and have a stick at the end. Many long stick. The racket will look like this. And the cooker will look like this. The cooker is big. The cooker will look like this. The cooker will look like this. It has a handle. Now the next question. Have you ever made a rangoli? My friend Meenakshi makes beautiful flower patterns. I am Meenakshi. I belong to Tamil Nadu. We make column patterns every day. They are made by using dots. Look how these patterns I make. They are so beautiful. Now we have to make these patterns. First we take the brush. This pattern will look like this. This pattern will look like this. Now the next pattern will look like this. This is only made up of squares and triangles. Look how these are made. These are made by this. These are made like this. Sorry, the pattern is wrong. The pattern will look like this. We have made the above pattern. The pattern will look like this. Sorry, the pattern is wrong. Wait. We have drawn a line. We make a square, we again draw a line, we draw a square, we again draw a line, we again draw a square, and again we a line and a square. This pattern is same to same like we see this. The pattern the next page. Make other patterns yourself. Copy these shapes on the dot grid. Note that some lines in the shapes are straight and some are not. Like this flower, it has many leaves. We'll draw the flower. We will draw the flower. Sorry. The leaf will look like this. Sorry. You can do this work yourself. Use the dot grid given below to draw your own designs and shapes. We will draw our own designs and shapes in the dot grid. This is my favorite drawing. I will do this. The mobile will back from look like this. The mobile will look like this from the back. It has cameras. Sorry. The mobile will look like this. Yes, mobile has the cameras. Sorry. The mobile has 1 or 2 cameras. 3, 4. Sorry, this is the mobile from the back side. Back side. From the back side of the mobile. Now the next question. Complete these figures to make squares and rectangles. This is a rectangle. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a this is a square. Sorry. This is a square. This is a rectangle. And this is a square. Now the next question. On the dot grid, draw the given below. First we will draw the boat. Where is the line? First we will draw the boat. Sorry, the boat will not look like this. We have to count the dots for the boat. The boat is big from up, and just as she goes down, down and down, it becomes narrow. It becomes narrow, just like this. And the boat has one sail, like this. Now we will draw a kite. The kite will look like this. Kite will look like this. We have drawn a kite and a boat. Now is the leaf time. The leaf will look like this. Leaf will look like this. Now the star. The star will look like this. Now the pot will look like this. We have drawn a star and the pot. Now we have to draw a flower. Now we have draw a flower. We first make the leaves. Now the exercise is completed. Tit for tat. One day, Amina met a painter. Can you make my picture? Yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for it. After a while, the painter showed her picture, but this is only half. But this is the only half. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get a complete picture. Now can I have my money? Amina gave him 100 rupee note. But this is only half the money. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to next to get a note. To get the full money. Ha ha! The next page. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. You can do with a mirror, but I cannot do with the mirror because I am doing. Now the butterfly will look like. First the butterfly looks like. First the butterfly look like this. The butterfly look like this. I cannot do the picture. So as half, the butterfly is half, draw another half same as it is now. I will tell you how to draw. It will look like this. This is her body and the other antenna and her wings. Now the Deepavali Diya. It is so easy. This is the This is the Deepavali Diya. Now the cat's face. The cat have an eye and her nose and her mouth and her mouth. Now a star. Sorry. Now we will draw the star. This is how we will draw the star. Sorry. Sorry. Now this will look like a star, and the other is the fish. Now the fish will look like this. Now his fin. Now we'll draw the fish. We will draw her body, and now we will draw the lines. Now her side of black, his eye, his rail lines, and the other lines. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? No, we can't, because we do a caterpillar like this. Up, he do not have legs, but down have legs. Or the caterpillar from the middle. Up is the mouth from the place, and the back from the caterpillar is not her mouth. Same for the cup. We do the middle from the cup. The cup will look like this. So, but this cherry it has 2 cherries, but it has no cherries. Same for the back side. Handle is from that, and Varun not handle. Now same for the flag. We cannot do the flag because it has green color in down and up orange. Same we do like this. One side it is handle and the other side not. So it is not. To complete this picture, we cannot repeat the painter's trick. Now the next. If you ask the painter to draw things which he cannot divide by similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the trick. Just like mug. The mug is like this. The mug will look like this. The mug is looking like this and have an opening from up. She cannot play the trick in drawing the cup. Also in our India's flag, he cannot repeat the trick. It has white color in middle, orange and green. So he cannot divide the flag. Same for many things. Mirror halves. Look at the picture given below. Does a dotted line divide each picture into similar mirror halves? Yes, it is a half. It is also half, but this is not half. It is half. It is also half. It does not. It has half. It has also half. Now the next. It does not have the half. It also does not. It has. It also has. It does not. It has. No, it does not have. It does not have. Sorry, I don't know. This is a half picture. We have some more examples. Like we draw the heart. It can divide from this line. Now the M. The M will also divide from that. Now the triangle. Triangle can divide. triangle can divide from the straight line, and another another triangle will be look like this, and it is divided from this. Now the next. The comb can divide from that. The envelope can divide from the straight line, and 8 can divide from that. A scissor can divide from that. A button can divide from it. A teapot will not have. A pencil will draw a middle line. A cup does not have. The king which wears it can also divide, but in a straight line. Like the shirt will look like this. A bell will look like this. A
CD-ROM.
A tablet.
Floppy.
A floppy does not have a mirror half. An aeroplane can do a mirror half. It cannot have a half. It too cannot have a half. A sunglass also have a half. A suitcase has also a half. An iron does not have a half. An umbrella does not have a half. A clock does not have a half. Can you guess these letters from their half? Yes. This is the A. This is the C. This is H. This is U. This is B. This is X. Using such letters, we can also draw words. This is HOW. How? This is WAX. Wax. This is cooked, and this is the dice. This is cooked word. This is dice word. It is HOW. WAX. Wax. Cooked. Dice. Making a mask. Now I can teach you how to make the mask of a cat. Take a piece of paper, fold it along the middle. On one side, draw the figure. Cut it out using a pair of scissors. Now I open the fold and make the eyes, nose, etc. Color it and tie rubber band on its back. Your mask is ready. You can make more masks. Take helping from following pictures: a girl, an elephant, and a deer mask. The chapter is completed. I promise that we will do the second chapter in second video. Thank you.